Hey guys, this is a quick testimonial for Jonathan Monta's Freedom Breakthrough. I'll just give a quick review on what it is and how you can make money using this system. Okay, so it's a training you can see on the screen, Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. Now, if you just go through this training, you can see there are lots of stuffs out here from top to bottom. You can see that it's fully packed with training. Okay, so it's about affiliate marketing. Now, if you do not know what affiliate marketing is a system where you sell somebody else's product and make a commission up to 75%. Okay, so this system works really well. It has all the training you need to become an affiliate marketer. If you want to quit your job, you have to take this training. Okay, so first of all, you'll get the 3-day business breakthrough challenge. Okay, so it's a day 1, day 2, day 3. Okay, it's 3-day challenge, and you will start this in the beginning. Okay, so it will cost you $7 to go and take this 3-day business challenge, and what you'll get is you'll get 3 hours of full video training by Jonathan Monta himself, and he's a 6-figure, I think even 7-figure income generator guy. Okay, so you can see that day 1 you'll learn about the system, day 2 you will go and implement that system, and day 3 he'll teach you about the traffic, how to get traffic to your system. Okay, so then after that you just go below, and you can also get the white label funnel ebook from Jonathan Monta. That means he wrote the entire ebook, and you can get it. Okay, now you can get it and you can change all the links and you can make money out of it. Okay, and after that, once you set up this business, once you set up your business and you start earning, then you will need advanced training. So you'll already start making money using just taking this 3-day business challenge. Okay, but if you want to make a lot of money, if you want to, people are even making $3,000 every single day using this system. Okay, so if you just go down below this training, growing on YouTube live training. Okay, so this is a training on YouTube. Okay, and if you go just below, you can see that copy my exact YouTube video script, slides, keywords and templates. Okay, so now you'll get his Jonathan Monta's template, script, everything. Okay, then after that the intro to this course, of course. Now this is the upgrade. Okay, you'll have to upgrade to make 75% commission and to make more than $3,000 every single day. Okay, so there are lots of modules out there, from 1 module to 10. Okay, introduction to affiliate stacking, the perfect affiliate funnel, email mastery, the king of free traffic, YouTube free traffic with TikTok. Now TikTok is very popular nowadays. Remember, now this is just a heading. Okay, so once you click the drop down, you'll see lots of subheadings, and these are all fully packed training. Okay, now you have model 6 about free traffic with Facebook groups, then model 8 featuring Joshua Ong. Okay, so these guys are top owners. Okay, these guys are top owners, and they will teach you how to make those high ticket sales. Okay, so even if you want to create your own website, also creating affiliate website, etc. Okay, so this is also taught. Model 10 is about featuring Nathan Lucas, Google SEO master. Okay, so if you want to do SEO, that's also, the training is also there. Okay, so paid traffic, if you have the budget, you can also go with the Google paid Google ads. Okay, that means paid traffic. Okay, then model 12 is about launch jacking. Then next thing is that you get 100% commission with 3-day white label course. Okay, you can also get 100% commission with the 3-day white label course once you upgrade. Okay, and bonus is that on 75% commission with Freedom Breakthrough itself. Okay, so now this is the second version of this program, Freedom Breakthrough, and it is running wildly. Okay, that means there are lots of people on the Facebook group. I highly recommend you guys to go inside the Facebook group and see the results. Okay, people are getting results. That's what it matters. Okay, the matters is you need results. Okay, everybody wants results. Okay, so bonus inside the mind business of super affiliates. This one I'll let you know once you get inside. So everything is stepwise. Okay, every training is given to you by Jonathan Montoya, Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. Now, if you want to get this, if you want to know more about this, just go to the link on the description of this video. Make sure you go to the description and take action today, because if you take massive action, you'll start making massive money. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video. This is just a testimonial for Jonathan Montoya, because he's an awesome guy and he has helped us a lot, and for in return we are also giving a free testimonial so that he can rise more. Okay, and in the meantime, he wants his students to earn money like him, so he's giving this opportunity for us to promote this product, Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. Okay, so get the links from the description. Let's see you inside. Thank you very much for watching this video. I take your leave. Bye bye.